Welcome back to my channel, friends. Today, I found a brand new niche called stick figure animation. And honestly, this niche is exploding right now on YouTube. These types of channels are getting millions of views with very simple animations. And the craziest part is that many of them grow extremely fast within just a few days. Some channels are getting thousands of subscribers from only a few videos because this content style has very high audience retention and viral potential. People love this style because it's simple, emotional, cinematic, and super engaging to watch. You've probably already seen these black and white stickman videos on your homepage without even realizing how powerful this niche really is. The best thing about this niche is that the videos are simple to create, but they feel very professional and addictive to watch. In this video, I'm going to show you how these viral stickman animation channels work, what type of content they create, and how you can also start your own Faceless YouTube channel using this strategy. I'll also show you how to generate story ideas, create cinematic scripts, make AI image prompts, animation prompts, thumbnails, voiceovers, and everything step by step. And the best part? You don't need expensive equipment, advanced animation skills, or a big team to start. You can create these videos using AI tools and simple editing methods directly. Now let's jump into ChatGPT and enter the prompt. I know a lot of people struggle with prompts. Most of you don't know what to write, no audible, or how to write it the right way. But don't worry, I've already solved that problem for you. I've created a ready-to-use, high-quality prompt. Your only job is simple. Just copy it from the description and paste it into ChatGPT. That's it. And before we continue, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow and keeps me bringing more value like this. Now here's the exciting part. When you paste this prompt into ChatGPT, it will generate an amazing result. Fully structured, highly engaging, and perfectly aligned with the type of viral video we saw at the beginning. This exact style of content is getting massive views right now. But here's the truth. Most people ignore. If your prompt is weak, your results will be weak. You won't get good images, you won't get high quality videos, and your content will look average, and average content does not go viral. That's why having the right prompt is everything. It's the difference between a video that gets ignored and a video that blows up overnight. So instead of wasting time guessing, use a proven prompt and focus on execution. Stay consistent, improve your content, and follow the trend. Because in today's world, with the right tools and the right strategy, going viral is not luck, it's a system. Now go ahead, copy the prompt, try it yourself, and start creating your own viral videos today. Now let's come to the website. The website name is DIGEN AI, and the reason I use this website is because it's totally free. Some people might think I'm joking, but no man, I'm serious. Just watch this video till the end, because I'll guide you step by step on how to use this website completely free. This platform has many powerful AI tools like Seedream, Nano Banana, AI image generators, AI video tools, story and voiceover generators, and many more. You can create full AI stories, cinematic videos, thumbnails, voiceovers, image prompts, and even consistent characters all in one place. Most people are spending hundreds of dollars on expensive tools, while this website already provides amazing features for free. So don't skip this video, because I'll show you how smart creators are using these AI tools to grow fast and make money with viral content. Now first come into the login section. Here, you don't even need your personal Gmail account. Just open any temporary email website, copy any random email, and come back to the sign up option. Paste the email there. It will ask for an OTP verification code. Simply go back to the temp email inbox, copy the OTP code, paste it here, and done. Your free credit plan is activated. You also receive daily free credits. And when you first sign up, you get around 280 credits, which is honestly enough to generate many AI images and videos. Now first, let's start with images. Click on the image section and generate your images from here. There are many AI models available, but honestly, Flux and Image Motion are the most interesting ones. Just copy any prompt and paste it here. The result quality, generation speed, lighting, background, and character consistency are absolutely amazing. According to the prompt, the character gets generated perfectly. The background looks cinematic, and the lighting feels like a professional animated movie scene. Honestly, everything looks very polished and high quality. And the best thing is, you don't even need Nano Banana or any other expensive tool, because this platform is already giving amazing results completely free. It only takes a small amount of credits, not too much, and you can generate incredible cinematic images easily. I tested this tool many times with different prompts and different styles, and every single time the results were totally awesome. The character consistency is especially insane. Most AI tools struggle to keep the same character face, clothes, and style, but this tool handles it surprisingly well. There are also many other tools available inside the platform, like Nano Banana and more. But honestly, this tool gives much better consistency for cinematic storytelling and animated characters. You also get daily free credits, which are honestly enough to generate a huge number of images regularly. So don't worry too much about the image generation part. Everything you need for AI content creation is basically available in one place. Now we successfully completed the image part, but now it's time to create the real magic. Yes, the magic of AI video generation. Most people think creating high-quality AI videos like VO3 for free is impossible, right? But don't worry, man. This tool makes it super easy. Just come to the main page and first select the image that you want to turn into a video. Upload the image, then copy the video prompt from ChatGPT. Make sure you copy the video prompt, not the image prompt, because the AI generates the motion, camera movement, and animation according to the video instructions. Now simply paste the prompt. You don't need to change complicated settings or do anything technical. Just click on Generate. There are many video models available, but honestly, I recommend selecting the first one, Turbo. 3.1. This model is absolutely insane because it can generate video, audio, visual effects, background music, cinematic motion, atmosphere, all together automatically. And the craziest part? It doesn't even take much time. It only takes around 1 minute to generate the full video with audio included.
I opened my phone without even thinking. I opened my phone without even thinking.
Just look at the generation time. Only 1 minute. After that, check the result. Oh my god, the quality looks amazing. The motion feels smooth. The background music matches perfectly. The cinematic camera movement looks professional, and everything feels like a real animated movie scene. I tried another one again. I uploaded another image, pasted another video prompt, and once again, the result looked awesome. The animation, quality, transitions, sound, and cinematic feel were all super smooth. You can even check my credits. I generated many images and videos, but surprisingly, it didn't consume too many credits. It only takes a small amount of credits while giving extremely high-quality results.
My brain finally became quiet again.
I tested this tool many times, and honestly, every single time I was happy with the output. So if you want to create viral AI videos, cinematic animations, emotional storytelling content, or faceless YouTube videos, then you should definitely try this tool. And if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for your amazing support and your valuable time.